Hi guys, this is Vikas and you are watching Computer Freaks, and in this video I am going to show you how you can add a contact form to your WordPress website. So let's suppose you have a website and you want to give your visitors a way to contact you. Then you can create a form like this so that any visitors visit your website will fill this form and you will get a notification with a message in it. So we will create this form using three steps. So the first step is to install the required plugin, and the second step is to create the form, and the third step is to add the contact form that you have created to your website. So let's start. So first go to plugin and then click add new, and then search Ninja Forms and then click install now and then click activate. So Ninja Forms is installed, as you can see in the sidebar. So second step is to create the form. So go to Ninja Form and you will see a default form. So first delete that form. So click delete and then click add new and then choose contact us. So this is the form that we have. So click publish and then close this. So we have created our form. So the third step is to add this form to our website. So let's do it. So go to pages and then click add new. So add the title. So I will name it contact form and then click here and choose Ninja Form and then select contact me. So this is the form that we have created and then click publish. So the form is created. If you want to see your page, then you can see it by clicking view page. So this is the form that we have created. So let's suppose instead of using this default form you want to add your own form, then you can also do that. So first go to dashboard and go to Ninja Forms and then click add new and then choose blank form. So choose all the information fields that you want to add to your form. So let's suppose I will choose first name, last name, email and phone number, and then in the end I want a submit button. So this is the form that I have created and then click done and then click publish. So I will name this form as my form, click publish and then close this tab. So as you can see, my form is created now. So let's suppose you want to change the form that we have created earlier and you want to put the my form instead of the earlier one form, contact me form. Then go to all pages and then choose a page which is contact form and then choose the form and then click here and then click show more settings and select form as my form and then click update. And now let's test our form. So just fill out all the credentials and when any visitor clicks submit, then a notification will be sent to your mail with the message in it. So let's click submit, and you will see your form has been successfully submitted. And if you want to change the email address where you will receive the notification, so just go to dashboard and go to settings and click journal, and you can change your email address here and click save changes. So that's how you will change the email address where you will receive notifications. So that's how you can create any form in your WordPress website. So that's it guys, thank you for watching.